Welcome to American Baker in Germany, where the ingredients are German and the baker is American. I'm Michelle, and today we are making a recipe for Swiss meringue mango buttercream. I was asked to make a cake with mango buttercream, and I was thinking, hey, I've never made mango before. It can't be that hard, right? So we're learning together. Let's get started. We start out with our ingredients. We need 7 egg whites, 2 cups or 400 grams of sugar, 2 cups or 500 grams of butter, half a teaspoon salt, 400 grams of fresh or frozen mango, yellow and orange food coloring, which is optional, and if your mango has little flavor, add a teaspoon each of citric acid and orange zest. The first thing we're going to do is puree the mango in a blender, then pour it into a saucepan. What we're doing here is getting rid of the excess water from the mango. Simmer the mango, stirring frequently by medium-high heat. You should reduce the amount by about 1/3. Make sure to use a long-handled spoon because boiling mango spits a lot. Remove from heat and taste to make sure there is a good amount of flavor in the mango. If it is too mild, add the citric acid and orange zest. This will enhance the natural flavors of the mango. Allow the mango to cool completely. Next, prepare the buttercream. Separate the eggs. We only need the egg whites. Whisk in sugar. Heat over a double boiler until egg mixture becomes frothy and feels hot to the touch. Beat egg whites until it forms a white and glossy meringue and the bowl feels room temperature. Add room temperature butter about 2 tablespoons at a time until completely incorporated. When all the butter has been added, beat the mixture until it comes together as a buttercream. Beat in the salt. Beat in the mango. Now I am adding some food coloring because in my experience people don't think something tastes like it does unless it looks like it tastes like it does. So I added a bit of orange and yellow food coloring. This buttercream has the smooth texture of Swiss meringue buttercream and the sour, tangy zest of mango. You can actually see tiny specks of mango in the buttercream. Delicious! For more recipes and tutorials, visit our website at americanbakeryingermany.weebly.com. We're also on Facebook and Instagram. Subscribe for more recipes.